Welcome back to Cash Chronicles, your ultimate resource for financial wisdom. In today's video, we're excited to share the top 5 money-saving hacks that can transform your financial life. Whether you're looking to save for a big purchase or simply want to make the most of your hard-earned money, these hacks will help you achieve your goals. Let's dive in. Hack 1. Automate your savings. Our first money-saving hack is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account. By doing so, you'll effortlessly build your savings without even thinking about it. Remember, every small contribution adds up over time. Hack 2. Track your expenses. Next up, it's crucial to track your expenses. Start by recording every purchase, whether it's a cup of coffee or a new pair of shoes. Analyzing your spending patterns will give you valuable insights into where your money is going. You can then identify areas where you can cut back and make smarter spending decisions. Hack 3. Embrace the 24-hour rule. Our third hack is to embrace the 24-hour rule. Before making any non-essential purchase, give yourself a 24-hour cooling-off period. This will help you determine if the item is a genuine need or simply an impulse purchase. Often, you'll find that waiting allows you to make wiser choices and avoid unnecessary spending. Hack 4. Shop smarter with coupons and discounts. Saving money while shopping is a game changer. Always be on the lookout for coupons, promo codes, and discounts. Check websites, apps, and even social media platforms for exclusive deals. Additionally, consider price comparison tools to ensure you're getting the best possible price for your desired items. Hack 5. Cook at home and meal prep. Our final hack is to cook at home and embrace meal prepping. Eating out can be costly, so try cooking your meals at home more often. Plan your weekly meals in advance, create a shopping list, and prepare ingredients in bulk. Not only will this save you money, but it will also help you eat healthier and reduce food waste. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've now learned the top 5 money-saving hacks that can significantly impact your financial well-being. Remember, saving money doesn't mean sacrificing your lifestyle. It's about making conscious choices and being mindful of your spending habits. Implement these hacks into your daily life and watch your savings grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on their journey towards financial success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video here at Cash Chronicles. If you have any questions or additional money-saving hacks to share, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from our amazing community. Until next time, stay financially savvy.